It's been a rough day of shrimpo hunting today. Taco Bell didn't have my shrimpo burritos, and I better hope that Mario has got me some shrimpos in there, or else I don't know what I'm gonna do. Shrimpo hunting is really hard. Y'all I make it look easy, because that's how I'm professional. But it's really, really, really hard. Holy crap. I heard a noise. Wait, what is that? What is that? Wait, what is that? What is that? What is it? Oh Lord! Oh Lord! Alright, I've been attacked by a shrimpo, but wait until the next episode of Shrimpo Hunter.